Good evening. This is my room, and that has my collections. Like stuffed toys, Minecraft, first cross stitch I had, Winnie and Tigger, Mox. That is Mox. My Barbie collections, my altar, and my drawings. That's mainly. That was in high school. I don't draw anymore. That is my favorite anime, One Piece. And stickers of Harry Potter and Precious Moments with local bands, my favorite local bands and solo artists, namely Kala, City, and not to mention Mojo Fly, Sandwich, Parokya, and everything. And that is my craft, my hobby, and I love to do stars, different colors, and put it in a bottle. That's my collection. I will give it to someone. I don't know who is he or she. And that is my collection of candle holder and Mimomo and empty bottles. And that is my things that that is my table. My table where I write. And then that is my caricature, my name and my collection of IDs, and electric fan, my motto. Live, learn, love. 3L. That is my photo albums, my collections of boxes, and my cabinet, my pillows, and One Piece sticker, and Boo, and Garfield. And then the paint, I painted it on my own. Also, my favorite spot. And the glow in the dark. This is my lampshade. This is my collection of books. My first teddy bear, Panda Bear. That is Gyro. My books, Writer's Block. That is my collection of books that are I hope to I want to remember the Earth Day Jam Remembrance. Medyo makalatong room ko kasi hindi pa ako naglilinis. Tinatamad pa ako. And that was my craft when I was in high school. And really last picture, Malcolm Hor. And that is me in my dorm. Gawain ng crush ko. Then, pinasa ko sa photo. And then, my collections. My picture. That is my drawing too. And then, and my motto also, dream big. This is my favorite motto. Yung mabasa. From Kuya Kayach. This is from Thomas. And then this is my bear. And bear. Tasitas. Wow. This is my cat. Oh, cat. Then this is me. Hello. What I can tell about myself? Nothing. And my room explains who I am. Right? See ya. Ciao. Au revoir. At